first you were just ordinary, just a coworker, nothing more. But who could have guessed you'd one day become my queen? Even though we didn't always see eye to eye, still over time we began to understand each other's hearts. It started with long talks late into the night. I didn't even realize when I fell, but I've loved you deeply ever since. I've learned to care for you, to worry for you, my love. My queen, do you know how much I love you? It's a feeling my mind can't explain. Only my heart knows, all I know is this: I must protect you and never let you cry. Every time I see your tears, my own heart shatters. Without even noticing, my eyes begin to water too. Even though I'm a man who's meant to be strong, I hold you and weep like a child. We fell in love, we took care of each other, and somehow this miracle happened. My queen, you mean everything to me. I don't even know how to give you all the love I feel, but I promise I'll always be your guardian, shielding you from every storm. I wanna tell the whole world she is my queen. But even in silence, I hold you like the most precious woman on earth, the one I was born to love. If I'm given the chance to stay by your side, let me care for you for the rest of my life. Let me be your king with you as my wife.